everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And yes, you're seeing correctly, I am getting started on my Christmas cards and tags for the year. And I want to start by sharing this one with you. This is a die from my stash. And then the to and from stamps are always going to pretty much be my MFT Dynamics stamp set. But this one is retired, so any to or from stamp that you have will use. I actually had given this to my daughter-in-law and she wasn't using it, so I got it back. And I think I'm positive these are old, so I don't know that you'll find it anywhere. It's called Zip and Slim is the things, and it's item number 41482. I used the ornament here at the bottom, and I did these right here. I inked them up using my Distress inks. I used peacock feathers for the blues here. I used my aged mahogany for the berries, and then I used forest moss for the leaves. And the little holly and berries is a CC Designs die set, and it's just called Holly and Berries. I printed the paper from Knitwick Collections called Eskimo Escapades, and of course you can't see because I covered it up, but this right here at the top is actually a snowflake background that you could put anywhere. I should have slid it to the bottom in retrospect, but I still like the tag. I like it, but when I make it again, I'm definitely going to slide the snowflakes and things down here so that you can see them better. This is another Knitwick Collections Eskimo Escapades paper. Absolutely had a blast making it, and it was really simple to do. I just used some silver cardstock that I got from Hobby Lobby for the little shine here, as well as the cap to the ornament right here. But of course you can't see it because I covered it up. I don't know what I was thinking. I was kind of, I don't know, I wanted to do this, but I was really struggling with this one for some reason. Not quite sure why, but really had a rough time. And I'll be back in 1 second with the next one. Alright, I'm back with my next tag. And again, I used the Knitwick Collections for the tag base. And this is just a tag that I have in my stash. I used peacock feathers to ink all of the edges for the little hat. I used my black and white pan pastels here for the eyes, and then my 005 micron pen for the little eyelashes, my white Jelly Roll gel pen for the little dots on the eyes and anywhere that I put accents. I used the Right Persimmon Distress ink for the little nose, and then I used Tumbled Glass for the white to ink all of the white pieces. Now these little hearts were open, so I just put little circles of white behind them, and I put a strip of 2-inch adhesive, so this will go directly down onto a package or a gift bag. The same with the other tag, it will just stick directly to a package. Now I could have used my other stamp for the to and the from, but I wanted this to be smaller and be more proportionate with the little squares on this paper, so I actually wrote that one in myself with my 005 micron pen. And so I just, while I had it out for the eyelashes, I just did that. I did cut, I cut the little scarf twice, and then cut out these little strips so that I could have the 2 white stripes for my little scarf, and then I used my white gel pen to go in the little dots, because it actually puts in little dots for you to give you a little pattern at the bottom. And I'm not sure if they still have this, but if they do, I will link it for you, as well as the tags that I use. So that was it. They were both really easy and simple. Nothing fancy, but I am getting started. So be on the lookout for some Christmas projects so that I can get ready for the holidays, giving tags to my family and friends, as well as possibly getting ready for a craft fair. So that's something I'm excited about and nervous about all at the same time, and hoping and praying that I can really do everything that is required to have enough stuff for a craft fair. So for now, I'm planning on just getting my families done first, but everything else will be, I will be working in projects for the craft fair. I'll be right back and show you both of the tags at one time so you can see them once more before I head off. Alright, there's everything together. I hope that you liked them. If you are ready for, to see some Christmas videos and to see some Christmas tags, give this video a thumbs up. Please, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, feel free to do so. I would appreciate it. Remember to practice your CPR, craft, pray, repeat. Excuse me. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.